Which television station are you for?
Buked. I have not. Are you done?
Wait, you first ask him, are you ready? And don't inject me. Give this.
Okay. Excuse me. Some vaccine.
Aje. Msao yangewa, tubangire sawa.
Sembere ko kuba kati zigenda kuba. Fete to taking a chances. Jiteka wapi? Give me.
Machinery.
What's up a bit? Use this one.
Nyakagwa Kenneth, kansala wano Kiryagonja ku division Gombe. Tuli basanyufu nnyo kitongole ekya VED okuva Makerere ku University ekizze okugema embwa ezajja ne ziruma abantu ebbanga eriise. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala, mwebale kuulya mulanga ne mudduukira mu budde bwe tubasabira era bwe tubaagalira.
I'm Wanume Johnson, Assistant Veterinary Officer for Gombe Division. Today we are here joined by USPCA and College of Veterinary Medicine of Makerere University together with us in Wakiso, Nansana and Gombe Division doing vaccination of rabies. We are vaccinating dogs and cats against rabies. You remember very well that we had this incidence of dog bites early this year in January, where a stray dog went around in this village biting people and animals, including other dogs. So this organization of USPCA together with Makerere University have joined us in this response to vaccinate these animals and also to control those which are roaming. Today we are branding those ones which we vaccinated, so that even if it's roaming and maybe it attacks another animal or it bites another person, we can easily identify that this one is already vaccinated. This helps to protect and reduce the risk of rabies transmission, but we also encourage other people who have not yet had their animals vaccinated to make sure that they receive this service of vaccination, and also to be responsible for their animals and their dogs in particular, to reduce the risk of spreading this virus. Thank you very much.
Sometimes in the US, people say, why should I give money for Uganda when there are homeless animals in the US? And I tell them that in Uganda, there's no services for free. And people cannot afford to get their animals spayed and neutered and vaccinated. So when there are no resources, you know, animals are animals, people are people. It doesn't matter where you are, US, Uganda, wherever. Just helping people and animals is always important.
Get the vaccine ready. Get the vaccine ready.
You take them the other way around.
Come.